speed's right here. 1 notch. This is your kill switch. That's your start.
I was just looking for Scott.
Turn signal's right here.
Cool.
Right, got the controls.
So guys, we got this Ftr1200 carbon model. This is limited to 490 models. That Akrapovic exhaust on there. The Indian suspension. Otherwise, guys, hope you enjoy this review as I'm gonna enjoy it for certainly. There we go. This is more my speed. So 490 of these models made. As you can see, got the scratched carbon fiber tank here, the carbon fiber front headlight fairing, as well as the carbon fiber front wheel hugger. Sounds pretty good. Looks like we got cruise control, no neutral. Nobody put it in neutral for me. So cruise control, he was showing an array of menus saying that this is also touchscreen, which it is. Very cool. Otherwise, guys, we're gonna see what's up with the there we go. Got that menu there. I want to be in sport mode, not standard. Traction control on. Music, phone settings, gauges. Mirrors seem to be working very well. A lot more upright. Very seating positions interesting. Got to put your butt back, as there is a little roll in the seat. Otherwise, guys, that dash is extremely, has some awesome quality to it. I did put this machine in sport mode, so at some point we are going to see, and it does have a quick shifter as well, so we are going to see what this thing can do at some point here along the way. This thing has super quality to it. Cruise control, beautiful dash, nice gas gauge showing you your range as well as the mileage. We are in sport mode, so I'm going to assume that that little bit of jerky action I'm getting is strictly coming from the sport mode orientation. Full Olean suspension on this Indian Ftr1200 Carbon R model. And with 6,381 miles on it, it feels a bit tight. Oh man, taking all the wind on this machine, all of it. You can definitely feel the power there. Machine running at 209 degrees on this. What they're saying is an 83. The bike is reading 83 degrees. And otherwise, guys, what more is there to want? I'm getting to ride brand new motorcycles for free. And I get to put out these reviews for you guys and show you what it's all about. Look at that red Indian frame. Let's see what that sound pretty good. Sound pretty good indeed. Let's go over this menu real quick while we're stopped here. All of this is touchscreen. You can change from rain to sport, music, phone. You can adjust with your gauges and jump back to them. So we got 120 horsepower, 87 foot-pounds of torque. They're saying there's ride modes. Obviously, we have the carbon fiber bodywork. I talked about that already. The Olean suspension. This model, from what they're saying, has a premium seat on it. There's a charging port. We will probably try to activate the cruise control at some point. I like to try and check other motorcycles and see how their cruise control modes function. Otherwise, guys, I really like this. I love the carbon fiber accents and stuff. That stuff really tickles me. Yeah, see, Scoots. That thing got some great power. We only accessed 2 of the gears there. Barely. Redlining at, looks like just about 9,000 RPMs. Once again, braided lines, I believe, on this machine as well. Yes, sir, that thing can roll. Keep getting the menu button mixed up with the turn signals. Yes, sir, that thing can roll. Taking massive wind here in the face. Just massive. Loads of it. This thing is a powerhouse. Look at us here on this Indian Ftr1200 with this semi-truck next to me using its powerful Jake brake. Wow, that thing got some torque. Some heavy torque. Maneuverability is, I would put it at about a 7. Brakes work great. Do a little quick stop here if we can. Oh yeah, brakes work great. Otherwise, guys, this thing is everything you should expect it to be. 1,200 cc's, a beautiful dash through Indian. And I'm here to let you guys know, what it is you might like or may not like about a bike. That hopefully maybe will be your decision maker on whether you decide to buy something or decide to buy something else. Doing great gas mileage, great power in the mid RPM range. I mean, great power. Hopefully we're gonna get some room to maneuver this thing around in the twisties. Kind of see how these tires feel when they're not just heading straight forward on them. Power is awesome. Definitely tell those 1,200 cc's are making it known through the power band that this is not a small cc motorcycle. 45 miles an hour, 4,000 RPM. And this bike has a ton of power in just about any gear. If you want something you can do pretty much everything on, still have some really cool style, obviously this being the carbon model and limited to so many production, you're going to be able to, it's going to be a little more rare than the other 1,200 FTRs out there. This bike will do great speeds, has great power. I'm sure this could be an absolute monster of a twisty machine. Third gear, 40 miles an hour. And just imagine if you keep going. Got a compass I didn't notice down bottom right there telling you we are heading north. Now heading northwest at 38 miles an hour. I mean, the power delivery is all there. The power's for surely there. I'm loving the touchscreen dash. Very cool that they oriented that in there. Let me go ahead and pull this menu up. Very cool that you can use the touchscreen as well as use the toggles in the event that you don't want to take your hands off the handlebars. You can connect your phone, etc., and all on the fly if you need to. So when it comes to advancements in technology, this thing has all of them on there. Beautiful all-in suspensions, braided lines, not only a beautiful dash, but a touchscreen beautiful dash, carbon fiber factory parts, and a beautiful setup. The only thing I'd probably do is get rid of these bicycle-like mirrors. Otherwise, I'd probably just leave this machine alone. As cool as it is, I'm gonna go ahead and see if we can't get a third at 40. Yes, sir. She goes. She definitely goes. Beautiful power. Transmission shifts great. Really, I've had zero complaints about this machine. I like that it's a bit more unique than the other models. Very limited number of them made. Even if they make them in the future, for this year, there's only so many. Sixth gear, 50 miles an hour at about just under 3,000 RPMs. This machine's making no noise for real. Even getting into it at sixth has some awesome power. $50 miles an hour, just under 3,000 RPMs, and just cruising along. And I hit it at 55 in sixth gear. Definitely got some great power. Otherwise, guys, this thing has loads and loads of power. But these tires just aren't doing it for me. Very quick bike, pretty comfortable. Otherwise, for having an Akrapovic exhaust system on it, it has a great amount of grumble without it being overboard. I'm sure with a new set of tires on it, this thing would feel much, much better. Transmission. A1. Very smooth transmission. Otherwise, guys, we are headed back to this Indian dealer. I had an absolute great time riding this. This machine is priced at $17,000, $16,999. Otherwise, guys, this FTR is super cool. Probably one of my favorite bikes of the day. And until next time, guys, if you're looking for a new Indian motorcycle, whether it be a carbon FTR with an Akrapovic exhaust, or a Chief, or a Scout Bobber, you can give Indian Motorcycle of Warrendale here a call and get your new machine. Until next time, guys, I hope you enjoy the reviews that are coming with this. Until next time, select, ride, or race.